Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability certificate online. First, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for the certificate. Next, collect all the necessary documents, such as medical reports and identification, before you begin. Finally, navigate to the official government website or designated portal where these applications are processed. This preparation will streamline your entire application experience. Accurate documentation is crucial for a successful application. Make sure your medical reports are up to date and clearly detail your disability. You will also need a valid form of identification, like a driver's license or national ID card, ready to upload. Don't forget to have a recent, clear passport-sized photograph in a digital format, as this is often a mandatory requirement. Once on the portal, your first step is to register for an account using a valid email and phone number. After registration, proceed to fill out the online application form. Take your time to ensure all information is entered completely and accurately. Finally, upload all your prepared documents, making sure they are in the specified file formats, such as PDF or JPEG, as required by the system. Before clicking Submit, carefully review your entire application for any errors or missing information. Once you are confident, finalize your submission. Immediately after, you will receive an application reference number. Make sure to save this securely, as it's essential for tracking your application's status. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.